Hello! In this short video, we will walk through what document processing means in eDiscovery and what happens to your data once it's provided to our team. Our goal is to give you a clear and high-level understanding of the process without the technical jargon, so you know exactly what to expect and how your information is handled every step of the way. When a matter begins, clients often provide us with large volumes of electronic information. This may include emails, documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, text messages, and other files collected from computer systems, servers, or cloud systems. Processing is the step where we take that raw data and prepare it in a way that it can be reviewed, searched, and produced in a legally defensible way. We use industry-standard platforms such as Prevail, Relativity, and Logical to do this work consistently, securely, and accurately. The first step is staging. We securely receive your data and confirm that everything was received in a compatible format. At this stage, we do not review content. Instead, we focus on organization and validation of what we received. We also document how the data was received and handled, which helps preserve the integrity of the information and supports defensibility if questions arise later in the case. Next, the data is processed. During processing, the platform identifies file types and extracts metadata, such as email senders and recipients, dates and times, file names and locations, and text contained within documents. This step also organizes related items. For example, emails and their attachments are kept connected so reviewers can see them in context. At a high level, this is where unstructured data is transformed into something that's searchable and review-ready. Once processing is complete, our team performs a series of quality checks to confirm that the data is processed as expected. During this stage, we review document counts, confirm that emails and attachments are properly linked, and verify that key information such as dates and authors is consistent and usable. This is also the point where we identify and address exceptions or errors. Some files, such as password-protected documents, corrupt files, or certain archive formats, may require additional handling. When possible, we remediate these issues so the files can be processed successfully. If a file or archive cannot be processed, we document the issue and report it clearly, so there's transparency around what was received, what was processed, and what may require further guidance or decision-making from counsel. By resolving or reporting these items at this stage, we help ensure that the review team is working with complete and reliable data. It's important to note that processing does not involve legal review or decision-making about relevance or privilege. Processing is purely about preparing the data so attorneys can efficiently review it and make informed decisions. In summary, document processing is the foundation of eDiscovery workflow. It ensures your data is handled securely, organized logically, and prepared for review in Prevail, Relativity, and Logical. If you ever have any questions about this process or how your data is being handled, our team is always happy to walk you through it. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and we look forward to working with you.